Okay, in this section we're going to cover replacement of the fuel pump. First thing we want to do is isolate the fuel system, shut the fuel valve off. Next we'll take the fuel supply line loose. Next take the fuel line loose. The line's loose, we won't be able to remove it at this time because it interferes with the pump. So let's go ahead and take the pump loose. It's got two mounting bolts bolted in the side of the engine block. Once we get the pump loose, take the fuel line, remove the fuel line, and remove the pump. There's an O-ring, rubber O-ring here that seals oil from leaking out the side of the engine block. To make sure that that rubber O-ring is in place and that the side of the engine block is clean and free from debris. At this point, just go ahead and reinstall the fuel pump. Start the bolts. Once the bolts are started, reinstall the fuel line. You won't be able to install this once the pump is tight. Now at this point, finish tightening the mounting bolts. Finish tightening the fuel line. Tighten the fuel supply line. Final step is open up the fuel supply line, start the engine, and check for leaks.